July, but we fancy roast duck. So I'm going to make my mulled wine roast duck. And for this we've got cinnamon, cloves, salt, sugar and olive oil in a little bowl, just mixed together. And I'm going to, you want some, you can have it when it's cooked. And I'm going to put this over the top of my duck, and then I'll rub it in, and I'll get my fingers dirty and messy, but that's okay. That's how it ends up tasting good. So let's give that a rub in. Make sure it's rubbed. You're going to get it over there, are you? Now that we've done that, I'm going to put the... 1, 2, 3. I've got an orange that I've cut in half, and I'm going to pop that in there.
I need the orange.
I've got a spare orange that you can have. And then I'm going to add 3 star anise. And this is going to go in the oven for 2 hours until it's crispy and moist and delicious. And then I'll rest it for half an hour after. The duck is out and resting, so now I'm making the sauce. I've poured about 75ml of the juices from the pan into a saucepan, and I'm going to add flour to thicken it, then red wine, orange juice, soy sauce and honey. Don't knock it until you try it. I've whisked in the flour. Now I'm just going to go in with about 150ml of red wine. Now orange juice going in. And I'm going to add some water too. Otherwise this is going to be a really thick sauce. Drop a squeezy honey. And a tablespoon of soy sauce. This is going to flavour it and also take that colour down from kind of pinkish with the red wine to a traditional gravy colour. This is it, by the way. It smells incredibly good.